Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 1 liter 40% neutral spirit or vodka, 3 pounds apples, 2 cups brown sugar, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup water, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1 split vanilla bean. Wash, core, and chop apples into roughly 1-inch pieces so they release flavor quickly. Sanitize a 1-quart glass jar. Measure everything on a digital scale or accurate cups, and have a fine mesh strainer and coffee filter ready for later. This keeps the process clean and consistent. Heat 1 cup water with 2 cups combined sugar until just dissolved to make simple syrup. Cool fully to room temperature before contact with alcohol. In a sanitized 1-quart jar, add chopped apples, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 split vanilla bean, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, the cooled syrup, and 1 liter of 40% spirit. Seal and steep at room temperature away from sunlight. Shake the jar once daily and begin tasting after 48 hours. Typical steeping runs 3 to 7 days, depending on desired intensity and sweetness. When the infusion reaches the flavor you like, pour through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl, press solids gently, then filter again through a coffee filter for clarity. Transfer the strained liquid into sanitized bottles and label with production date. Let bottles rest 2 to 4 weeks to let flavors marry. Store in a cool, dark place or refrigerate to preserve freshness. Serve chilled over ice or spiked in cider. Important safety note: use only purchased spirits. Do not attempt distillation at home and do not sell without licenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.